The Chinese embassy in Nigeria has premiered a movie called Dead to Rights to commemorate the 80th anniversary of the victory in the Chinese People's War of Resistance against Japanese aggression and the World Anti-Fascist War. The movie chronicled how in 1931, Japan launched a brutal war of aggression against China, driven by militarism. The film showed how on December 13, 1937, in a tragedy now known as the Nanjing Massacre, after capturing the city of Nanjing, Japanese invaders carried out a horrific massacre that lasted 6 weeks, leaving more than 300,000 Chinese civilians and soldiers dead. Speaking before the movie was premiered in Abuja, Chinese ambassador to Nigeria, Ambassador Yu Dunhai, said the film Dead to Rights offers a unique perspective for reflection on the dark chapters in modern world history, as well as a profound, enduring sorrow in the heart of the Chinese people.
History be our guide. Let us preserve with unwavering resolve the hard-won outcomes of World War II at this critical juncture.
He also said during World War II, as the main Eastern theater in the global fight against fascism, China endured 14 years of relentless resistance.
China endured 14 years of relentless resistance at a staggering cost of more than 35 million military and civilian casualties.
The ambassador, however, noted that China and Nigeria are both major developing countries and emerging market economies, as well as leading voices within the global south that serve as vital forces in safeguarding the outcomes of World War II and upholding the purposes and principles of the United Nations Charter. He further called for a collaborative effort to fully implement the important consensus reached by the heads of state of China and Nigeria, promote a correct historical view of World War II, and elevate their two countries' comprehensive strategic partnership to new heights. Fred Idehai, CNN News.